Are we all ready? Okay, first of all, good morning and welcome. We are so excited to have all of you here today for the groundbreaking on the expansion of the School of the Built Environment. And I just want to tell you a few things. First of all, the School of the Built Environment was actually originally created in 2017, which combined the departments of construction management and architecture and environmental design, making it the first School of the Built Environment in the state of Ohio. And of course, it's still the only one in the state of Ohio. Today, we celebrate another first. We celebrate the expansion that allows our students to be together under one roof, supporting their learning across disciplines. Our students will be even better prepared for the real world of design build. Our SBE faculty to continue to innovate and to provide multidisciplinary, state-of-the-art learning for our students. So I just want to tell you who we have with us today. Today we have the Bowling Green State University Board of Trustees. We also have President Dr. Rodney Rogers and Provost and Senior Vice President Dr. Joe Whitehead. Now, our process for visioning and designing this expansion included many conversations with our industry stakeholders, and I'm happy to say that we have some of those here with us today. We also have with us today some of our academic program industrial advisory board members. Some of our staff and faculty from the School of the Built Environment are also here, and so I want to thank you for coming. So on behalf of our college, I thank all of you for coming and for supporting the School of the Built Environment and the college. So it's now my pleasure to introduce to you the Chair of the Board of Trustees, David O'Brien.
Thank you and congratulations, Dean Gallimore. As chair and on behalf of the Board of Trustees, it is a pleasure to be here today and celebrate the School of the Built Environment. Breaking ground in this innovative facility positions BGSU to meet current and future workforce needs, and it differentiates our academic experience in these in-demand programs. The board remains focused on empowering our university, faculty, staff, and especially as we enter the post-COVID world. We are confident that these facilities, such as this project, will make a difference in the recruitment of students, but also in the pursuits to graduate on time. As an alumnus, I personally recognize the impact of the BGSU education, and I cannot wait to see our students experience this state-of-the-art facility. In fact, if I were one of them, this is probably the facility I would want to experience. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Chair O'Brien. And if I forgot to introduce myself, I'm Ginny Gallimore, and I'm the Dean of the College of Technology, Architecture, and Applied Engineering. And so let me now introduce Dr. Joe Whitehead, Provost and Senior Vice President.
Thank you, Dean Gallimore. This is a great day. I recall all the discussions that occurred about the College of Technology, Architecture, and Applied Engineering. And one thing that came forward was new facilities were needed, especially for construction management. And having the School of Built Environment provides an opportunity for the design and the management and construction all to come together to inform one another so that a better product is on the back end of the process. So I want to thank everyone who was involved in design, the conception, the design, and now we're about to put the things into action. And thank you for all the support of the faculty, staff, and students in the college, as well as the external supporters, because together we can make a better experience for our BGSU students. Thank you.
Thank you, Provost Whitehead. It is now my pleasure to introduce you to Dr. Rodney Rogers, President of Bowling Green State University.
And thank you, Dean Gallimore, and to each of you, welcome. As our provost said, it is a great day indeed, beautiful sunny weather, and how exciting is this? To be breaking ground for a School of the Built Environment, as our dean said, School of Built Environment, the first in the state of Ohio and one of the only ones in the entire nation. And the reason that's so important is bringing together architects, bringing together construction management students, industry told us they want designers who understand the project end of this type of work, and that the construction management folks told us they would love them to have a better understanding of the importance of design. And so when I think about this groundbreaking, it is all about being responsive to what industry and employers were telling us about how we can prepare our students for great careers in this space. And they are indeed in high demand. Our construction management program here is certainly nationally ranked and is a very old program, great tradition, and I see some alums with us today from that program that are here to return and be a part of this great momentous occasion. So, in how many months, Sherry, what's it going to be? Or April? So how many months from now, we will be doing a ribbon cutting for a new facility, and I want you all to come back for that, of course. But today is about marking the moment in which we take this next step to invest in the School of Built Environment at Bowling Green State University, an innovative, national leading program that will continue to attract great students to Northwest Ohio, will help fuel the growth of Northwest Ohio, but all of Ohio and the Midwest. And so on behalf of Bowling Green State University, I want to certainly thank all of the individuals that have been such an important part of making this happen, our donors, the taxpayers of Ohio, all coming together to make this a reality. Exciting day indeed. Dean Gallimore.
Thank you, President Rogers. And so at this point, we're actually going to start the groundbreaking ceremony. So for those of you that are joining the groundbreaking, please come on up.